Hey guys, welcome back to Brewing with Ty. Today is a good day to show you what a blow-off tube is. Here it is. Hang tight. So in a perfect world, you have your two-way bubbler. Well, I knew it was going to happen with this. We are killing it right now with the fermentation process, but I had some backflow. So what happens is the inside right here comes up through the tube if you don't have enough space. If you remember in my last video, I said I should have left it down here at this line. I had it up here. So now we're getting some backflow, or overflow, I should say. So all I did, and I did take a longer tube. You don't have to have a tube this long, but you can see coming out of here from down into the tube. See it there really good, still moving down as we speak. Comes around and it stops here. Then I have it coming back up into the makeshift, oops, sorry about that, the makeshift blower off water thing. And I'm kind of glad I did it because I've actually had some people ask me, you know, what's the blow off tube? People that just starting to get into brewing, which you're going to have questions. You're going to have a ton of questions. I had a ton of questions. City-Stead Brewing is the one that I watched that helped me big time when I started doing this. But this is doing really good. Don't let the overflow fool you. It is doing very good right now. On the other one that you see in here, actually, we'll do a little segue. This one was the fruit punch wine racked on 4/4/24. Still haven't touched that. I'm going to let that sit for a little bit longer just to see what happens with it. It's not like it's going to go bad. There's no mold, no nothing on the inside. This thing's going crazy though. But yeah, just make sure you don't run out of water, because here in a couple days it'll start to calm down anyway, to where you can just take that back out and put your airlock back in. But I'm going to sanitize that, get it ready to go back in, get everything wiped off. It wasn't a huge blowout. I was actually over at my desk when I heard it. So I just ran and grabbed some hose and got her done. But it happens, no big deal. But we'll see on the next one. I got a short coming out here in a little bit. Actually, it's already hit, so go check that out. That's the day 2 before this happened. So as for me, stay at the ready and stay thirsty. I'll see you guys on the next one. Out.